Hey guys, what's up? Kai here from Tic Tac Toe, and we are at an event. By we, I mean myself and Tiara. Of course, who else, right, is going to be? It's an event. It's an entire new place by Dreamcore. And Dreamcore is a Singapore brand who deals with a lot of custom PC builds. So not only Aftershock or what else, Epic Desktop or PC Kaki. Right, if you've heard of them, then definitely you will have heard of Dreamcore. And it's a new place. It's really, really gorgeous, and there's a lot of things going on around here. They've got segmented places already, and it's really cool. I've just gotten a very nice tour by the friendly people over here, and even met Chuan, the boss, Eugene from the marketing team. And Eugene is the one who sets us up. He's the one that invited us. And thank you, Eugene, for the invite. If not for you, then we wouldn't be here in the first place. Once you've entered the entrance over here, right, you immediately will be greeted by the reception table, desk, right, where the friendly staff over here will direct you to whatever places that you have to go. At the back, as you can see, there's a lot of display items, very intriguing ones. For example, you've got your popular Supersolid keyboard, you've got the new mice, and of course your graphic cards. And this is a place where you'll definitely get engaged, right? If you were to hang around here, you can ask them about what's there. Oh, what's that cool looking, colourful case that you've got at the back, right? If you were to ask them that, and definitely they will tell you. So that's the space bar. So they've also got an event space, right? This is a multifunctional event space that anyone who is interested can just come and talk to them and say that, hey, I want to host an event over here. Can you guys do something for us? So recently, they partnered with Red Bull, and they have some sort of like a esports competition, right? And some things were going on. I don't really know the specific of it, but yeah, there was an event. And they were telling us some examples of what kind of events that could happen. One of which is if, say, you have merchandisers that you want to peddle, that you want to promote, you rent this space. You can even hang your merchandisers from the grills on top, right? There's some things there. As usual, they've got nice PC on displays. My favorite one is this one because it looks like some cyberpunk theme kind of PC. This central place over here, this is the main space, right? This is like their experiential place. So I've been told that you can just come down and then spend the entire day here. Yes, an entire day. Not having feel any guilt at all. Just come here, sit and enjoy your gaming sessions or trying out some of the PCs over here that has been displayed. And we are of course very familiar with this brand, which is none other than our favorite chair brand, favorite gaming chair and ergonomic chair, Martian Gear. And of course, this lady over here, she rocks. Yeah, she rocks this chair every single day of her working life for the past 1 year or so. And yes, you can, like what I've said, you can spend the entire day here, guys. No guilt, no pressure, no nothing, right? Just come here, try out. I don't know whether they have some games installed already. They have Valorant, so you can try out Valorant there. So how do you like this setup so far? If this is going to be your setup,
I just need another screen.
How's this keyboard? This keyboard is one of the...
I haven't tested it. Ooh. Not my kind of clicky, but I want to show the other one that I like.
Okay.
This one.
Oh god, this is what I've been talking about, guys. This is a hex keyboard.
See.
This is...
Listen. So good. And it's I think this is their special collaboration with Dreamcore. If not, you will get it in like another color combination, but because of the collaboration, you get it in this color. Apparently, we were told that this is the personal one.
Yeah. Oh, this is
Right?
a personal build from the Hex brand.
Yeah.
It's the guy. It's the owner's own
Oh,
keyboard.
this sounds great too. I like these switches. Is it brown?
Yeah, it does feel like brown.
I feel like it's brown. This one?
This one feels like linear red.
I like this. I like this and like I like brown and this. At home I use blue. But yeah. But it's so good. Like this is the
This
inside.
personal
See?
is good. 300 plus.
Someone buy for me for my birthday, please.
Is
Not
that
my
a hint?
husband. Huh?
Is that a hint?
No, but you're gonna get me something else.
Oh, is it?
Okay, anyway.
They've also got their configuration station over here, as you can see at the back. So this place is, you know, sometimes when you want to buy not TV, sometimes you just want to buy PC and you go to their website and you look the entire list and you don't really know what the heck that you are looking for. You see things like a data RAM, you see things like M2 storage, and not everyone knows or follows that kind of technicalities, right? So Dreamcore, what they have done is they have set up this kind of stations where all you need to do is just to come down over here, sit in this very nice chair, right? And there will be friendly staff,
consultant.
station. They are actually consultants where you can just run things by them. So you can like, I want to build a PC.
Okay, yeah.
I want it to run many things.
Okay.
Number one, I want it to run Premiere Pro.
Okay, some
Because
more?
I do video editing and I always render in 4K.
Oh, okay,
That's number one.
Uh-uh.
Number two, I like to play games.
Okay.
I want to play Assassin's Creed Valhalla.
Oh.
My current PC cannot work.
Oh, is it? Okay, okay, come. Let me tell. I will take into consideration and then I'll come up with something for you.
Okay. So yes, she's
Okay.
typing things in her imaginary.
Okay, based
PC.
on what you need, your recommendation, I give you this.
Oh, this. Oh, okay.
Yeah. So what do you think? You would like or you don't like?
Not bad, the pricing all not bad.
Yeah, okay. If you like, then actually I don't know what happens after this. But yeah, I mean you get to talk to someone face to face, to let them know what actually you need, and then they can recommend you accordingly what kind of build you should have. I think that's a very good thing to have right now because I don't know. I mean, I'm not an expert in like building a PC, but all I know is that it's always done either online or anything, and I just want to take it offline so that there's like a personal conversation you can have with someone.
That's right. So if you have any doubts, any queries, things that you don't know about in terms of PC building, just come down, talk to the friendly staff. They'll be happy, more than happy to hook you up with things. Special mention for Supersolid. This monitor, this is by them also. It's a sub-brand by Dreamcore. They have all over the place. Oh, if you know this guy, this is Mr. Popule. He's here too. Very popular streamer, Twitch streamer, right? We also took a tour just now in the office. A very nice work culture, very open. And the CEO's, Chuan's office is somewhere inside. And it looks like a very nice place to work. Hint, hint. Oh wait. The other thing is we saw Eugene's workstation, which was somewhere there. So Eugene, we know where you sit. We've also got this Dream Factory place. This is where they build all the PCs. Right, this is like the assembly line for all the PC builds. Right, very nice name also, Dream Factory. And you can see everyone hard at work over here. Right? Yeah, very hard at work. Anyone who has sent an order, right, maybe from the last week or so, this is going to probably build now. All right, and then at the far end is also another station the workstation to assemble your orders. And they've got a nice service station over here for any issues that you have on your PCs. Some of your fans, your radiator doesn't work, maybe some of the cabling is, I don't know, wearing out or what. That is the place that your PC is going to be going to.
Make you change.
Yep, I guess that's it for the tour. A very quick one. I think we can foresee ourselves spending a lot more time over here, coming down.
I think there's an option there to come down to kind of have a look.
Yeah, I was just sharing with everyone that they can just come down anytime and spend the entire day.
Yeah, can.
If you want to game, you can just game.
Yeah.
But I don't know how many games you can install.
Yeah. 1st
that
of
one-
December onwards it opens.
1st of December, that's like a few more days, 2 more days.
We'll put all of the details in the description box, like because right now they say that you can come in without appointments, right? But I would assume that like people, more and more people get to know, and then they'll come down, and then there'll be too many people. So maybe just check with the team first.
That's right. Right guys, so if you are to come down, hey, hit me up. I'll probably see you guys here. Take care and see you guys soon. Bye.